Good morning, everybody. So today's plan were to launch at the south end of the lake, but I got to the gym pretty late this morning, and so changed the plans. I'm just gonna fish here where I usually normally always launch at. This is the circle drive ramp. I figure I'm not gonna have that much time to run around and explore at the south end of the lake where I really initially wanted to go to. So I'm just gonna make the most of it, fish here, and see if I can catch these fish from about 2 weeks ago, see if they're all still here. We're fixing to find out. Bomb that sucker out there. All right, guys, stay tuned. Not much of an intro this time around, so it's just gonna be a lot of fishing, hopefully a lot of fish catching. They're still here. What do they eat, though? That is the question. That's it. Yep, that's it. It's a good one. He's fighting good. Today I forgot my net, so we're just gonna boat flip these suckers. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Yeah, should have played them. Tag. Yeah, when I left the house, I had a feeling that I was forgetting something. Sure enough, I forgot my net. All right, I gotta play this one. Here it is. It's a long one. First fish on the boat. First one was a quick release. They're still here. Like a thank you, sir, for biting. Oh man, he is like all kinds of needing some help. Bro. That dude is huge. These got to be like good eating. Come here, bud. Oh my gosh. This guy's huge. I mean, I might have to take one of these guys home to eat. Make a fish fillet out of it. I don't know. What is this? White bass? Striped bass? Definitely not striped bass. Maybe a white bass? I'm gonna put them on the stringer and we're gonna figure out if this guy is able to keep. So I couldn't tell for sure if that was a white bass or a white perch, but daily Cree is 10 here in North Carolina and they have to be 14 inches. So that's definitely, whether or not it's a white bass or white perch, it's more than 14 inches, so we're good. I'm taking that home and we're gonna make some tacos out of it. Let's try something else here. See, they eat the mag draft. This is that new mega bass. No, sorry, I take that back. the new Bass Mafia Swim Dangerous swim bait. Chris Zaldane was the one who helped design this swim bait, so picked it up about a week ago. Been really wanting to test it out, so I made this little line through and we're gonna chug it around. I'm gonna see if anybody wants to take a little bite out of this sucker. Look at that. It look good. There. I just can't get him bite. Give this spot a break. We are gonna actually have that point over there. Let's try another spot. Wasting too much time. Yeah, I'm wasting too much time. Let's go. I mean, that looks pretty accurate, right? Update, it is 10:53 and no bites so far. It's been almost 2.5 hours now. I am on the struggle bus today. I'm gonna cross a lake over here and see if I can figure something out on this side. Uh-oh, my paddle. Let's not lose that. All right, guys, that is going to be it for today. It's probably gonna be a short video, but I thank you guys for watching all the way till the end. Definitely on a struggle bus today. Couldn't figure out what they were doing. Good news is I did catch some dinner, so I'm gonna bring that home. I don't even know if I'm gonna cook it tonight or some other night, but regardless, guys, thank you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Be safe out there. Peace out.